Let's get started with installing and setting up Mongoose. This will allow us to add Mongoose to your Node.js project and integrate it with MongoDB. Mongoose is an object data modeling library for MongoDB and Node.js. It provides a schema-based solution to model your application data. Mongoose offers several highlight features such as schema validation, middleware support, and query building. Before installing Mongoose, ensure that you have the following prerequisites. First, you need Node.js, which is a JavaScript runtime environment. Version 14 or higher is required. Second, you'll need MongoDB, which is a NoSQL database server. Make sure it is running locally or in the cloud. Version 4.4 or higher is recommended. To install Mongoose, use npm, the Node package manager, in your Node.js project. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the command npm install mongoose. Now that you have installed Mongoose, the next step is to import it into your application file. To do this, use the require function in your JavaScript code. Here is an example. Const mongoose equals require and pass the string mongoose. To establish a connection to MongoDB, use the mongoose.connect method. This method takes a connection string as its argument, which specifies the location of your MongoDB database. Here is an example: mongoose.connect. Pass the string mongob //localhost:27017/my database. Then use then method and catch method to print the messages on successful connection or on error. Mongoose provides several configuration options to customize your MongoDB connection. A common option is to set use new URL parser to true and use unified topology to true. These options ensure that you are using the latest features and improvements in MongoDB connectivity. Here is an example: const options equals an object with use new URL parser set to true, use unified topology set to true, and then pass this options object as a second argument to mongoose.connect method. Congratulations! Mongoose is now successfully installed and configured in your Node.js project. You are now ready to create schemas, define models, and start building amazing apps. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.